Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to check if iPhone IMEI is clean. If you're using any iPhone and now you want to check if your iPhone IMEI is clean or not, so let's see how can you check that. You have to simply open your settings app. In settings, just scroll down and look for general section. Just tap on it, then tap on about, and from here you have to look for IMEI number. You must have to copy one of them. In my case, I'm going to copy the first one. Just keep a long press on it, then tap on copy option and it will be copied. Now once you copy it, you just have to go back and open up your settings, or sorry, open your browser, and here you have to go for search and you have to search for IMEI checker. Just search for IMEI check. Once you have searched, just have to select any website from here. In my case, I'm going to select the first website, and here you just have to enter your IMEI. But first of all, you have to select this captcha that I'm not a robot. You have to select that, and here select the motorcycle skiers. Once you have selected, just tap on verify, and here you have to select the traffic lights. Once you have skipped the captcha test, here you have to paste your copied IMEI number, then tap on this check option, and here you have to scroll down, and it will tell you that if your IMEI is clean or not. Here you can see that my IMEI is totally cleaned, and here you can get your brand and phone model, and here's the IMEI that it is clean or not. So that's how you can easily check if your iPhone IMEI is clean or not. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.